Hey there! Today we have something exciting to unbox and share with you. It's a high anticipated cigar humidifier from Cigar. Let's dive right in and see what's inside. First, we have a sleek and slightly cigar humidifier unit. Its elegant design and premium construction make it a perfect addition to any cigar cabinet. While look at this, the attention to details is impressive. Its compact size make it ideal for your cigar cabinet or locker. Talk about some of the outstanding features. This humidifier has a large water tank, ensuring long-lasting moisture for your cigars. It's straightforward to refill thanks to the convenient water inlet with a cover. With the upgrade controller, adjusting the humidity is a breeze. Set your desired humidity and the humidifier will maintain it automatically. We will record another video to show how to use the cigar controller. Oh, and look at this out. The humidity sensor wire is 1 meter long, allowing you to hook it inside your cigar cabinet for precious humidity reading. Say goodbye to guesswork. It's designed to provide constant and reliable humidity control, ensuring your cigars are always in optimal condition. Finally, let's look at the packaging inside the carton box. You'll notice something remarkable. We've added a foam padding above, below, and on the side of cigar humidifier to provide excellent shock absorption during transportation. It's our way of ensuring you receive the humidifier in excellent transportation. That completes our unboxing of the Cigar cigar humidifier. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content and updates on cloud from Cigar. Thank you for your watching.